So as a coach, I know that your schedule can easily become hectic and chaotic. So with these few tips on organization, we're going to keep you ahead of the game. What's going on, guys? My name is Akil Wade, your content organization expert that helps you stay focused and get organized at record-breaking speeds. Let's get into it. So what does it mean to be organized in the first place? Basically, it's just having things in a structured, systematic way so you can understand and access it easily. And the best way to structure and access it is by using Obsidian MD. Obsidian is so dope because it's the home where you can store all of your past ideas and videos and text and anything, and all of your future ideas. You can even store all of the things that have to do with your clients if you want to. You can easily organize everything, and it's so customizable to your own taste. I recommend that you use the Kanban plugin. This will help you keep track of all of your clients and everything that have to do with them. You can even store your Zoom videos in there and be able to search it whenever you want to. That's what makes Obsidian so powerful, because of the search feature. You can easily search anything that you've ever said or anything that your clients have ever said, and you can get to it instantly. Next, go over to your Chrome browser and download AI PRM for ChatGPT. What this does is it allows you to use like community templates that you can use, and it'll easily make your experience so much better in ChatGPT. Like, let's just say you're looking for new ideas for YouTube videos. You can easily just use one of the templates, put what your video has to do with, and it'll just make a whole content plan for you in a structured way by the day, and it'll have everything to do with what you're talking about. This makes life so much easier, and it helps you put out consistent content about, what you're doing, and then more people will come to you and you'll have more clients. And then once you get all these ideas from ChatGPT, you just bring it over to your Obsidian vault and make an area where you can just access new content ideas, and there you go. You just need everything in one place. It is so important, I'm telling you, to not have to use like thought energy figuring out like what you said that one time, where it's at, like what is it, a Notion, is it on notes, like is it on a piece of paper? If you're still using a piece of paper, just throw it out. Literally, it's so hard to find things that you've written down on a piece of paper. It's better to like take a picture of it and put it in your Obsidian vault, because it's easier to search it. And if you want to know more about Obsidian and how to make your organization process easier, just look at some of my previous videos, and like and subscribe to this video if you like content like this. I'm going to keep putting it out. Peace.